post-game press conference. I'm joined by our winning coach, Coach Alden Ayo, and our best player of the game, Brian Santos. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Alden, we talked about this earlier, 8 straight losses. Then, your first win this late in the game just when you're out of contention. Coach, pwede mo makwento sa amin kung ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon?
We're excited for this win. Hindi namin iniisip yung 8 losses. I thought we could put the game that natanong ko na namin yung 8 straight losses. We prepared hard against San Miguel, pero hindi nangyari. Sayang. Pero eto, we had 1 day to prepare and almost the same game plan because we cannot prepare for a day, preparing. So, same game plan and same approach. The players are motivated, the whole team is motivated to get this first win.
Coach, when I was looking at the numbers, the third quarter explosion was the one that really made the difference. 35 points, probably one of the highest quarters Converge has had this entire conference. What or who do you give credit to for that, third quarter eruption?
Execution. I told the players that we're going to execute it play by play, possession by possession. We're going to hit the players, the right players. We're going to put the players at the right situation. And well, they did. They did on the third quarter.
Thank you so much, Coach Alden. Now we would like to move forward with Brian. Brian, nakita naman namin ang nagawa mo in the second half. In the first quarter, first half actually of the game, 0 points. You ended up with more and eventually ending up as the best player of the conference. Particularly, 5 out of 5 field goals for 3 points in the third quarter. That really made the difference for the game. Ano yung magbibigyan mo ng credit for that type of performance in the third quarter?
Siguro po grade kasi yun nga, gaya ng sinabi ni Coach. Dahil nagawa ko lang naman yun kasi dahil sa mga plays, dahil sa mga teammates ko na binibigay sa akin yung kumpiyansa. Kaya
Brian, I was also looking at yung mga minutes na binibigay sa'yo ni Coach Alden. Earlier this conference, it was just more or less 27 minutes on the average. But in the last 3 games, umakyat to more than 40 plus points. How does this help you in the type of execution and confidence that you bring in each game?
malaking tulong sa akin yung tumagal ako sa court kasi unang-una parang sobra-sobra na yung binibigay na kumpiyansa sa akin because bakit hindi ko pa gagawin yung trabaho o binibigay na role sa akin. So parang yun nga yung hindi ko rin na-expect na bibigyan na akong ganong kalaking minutes. So parang yun nga dahil din sa mga teammates ko nga sabi ko nga nagawa ko naman and then hindi naman ako napapagod kasi nag-enjoy kami sa loob ng court.
Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the media.
Coach, congratulations. First win sa Philippine Cup and na-enjoy yung 12 straight losses leading back to the Commissioner's Cup. Coach, how difficult was it to motivate this team na siyempre nagsusunod-sunod yung mga talo na you motivate them na makukuha nyo yung itong inihintay nyo na panalo? How difficult was it?
We didn't lose hope when the losses were piling up. The more that these players, the whole team, the more that we are motivated. As I told you, we are excited for that first win, and we want to exit this conference on a high note. Hopefully, we can carry it over on the next conference. So that's why, if you've noticed, we've been playing hard. We've been playing hard and active lahat sa bench, the coaching staff, the players. Kita mo na they're just playing doon sa mga roles nila. They're trying to support each other. Di mo makikita sa mga players sa team namin, di mo makikita na low morale. Even though ganito yung standing namin, we're looking for reasons to enjoy this game and just have fun.
And now, Coach, na you got this first win, what will be the approach in the last last two? So parang kayo yung parang you just disrupt yung mga plano ng mga last two opponents nyo.
Well, we're just going to compete. As I've told you, we want to end this conference on a high note. So, we're going to prepare against the crowd favorite, Ginebra, and out of town game pa yan. Subukan namin. We're going to do our best. We're going to do our best na makapag-compete. And, well, we have nothing to lose. We're just enjoying the game. And I've been telling the players to just play your game and loosen up. And sabi ko nga sa mga shooters, be unconscious. Dahil sabi si Brian na be unconscious, wala ka naman inisip na kung ano-ano, musingin sarili mo. You know that you can shoot, take it. So, yan ang mentality namin.
Coach, Coach, alam na natin, the team is known kay Justin and minsan si Alec, but what can you say about Brian? Kasi itong conference na to has been consistent despite yun nga.
Well, ito na yung core ng team namin. We have Justin, we have Alec. Actually, yun ang go-to namin. And every time we execute, yung mga nasa weak side, dun makakuha ng tira si Brian. But so far, yan ang ginagawa namin. But we might change that. We might give other players a chance. Baka nga, baguhin ko yung rotation. Wala naman eh. 2 games na lang din naman eh. Gusto namin bigyan ng chance yung ibang mga players makapaglaro naman sila. So, but the 3 of them are going to be there, of course. Alex, Justin, and Brian. Pero baka baguhin ko yung approach namin against Ginebra.
Coach, gano'ng kalaking tulong yung game sa San Miguel dito sa panalo na to? Kasi bumamang kayo yung first half eh. Ano na kayo yung third half na to yung game na yun?
Malaki. That first half against San Miguel, that's our system. Actually, that's our basketball program. That's our system. When you say program, nandun yun yung mga players namin na nandun. The system, yun ang itatakbo namin. Pero last 2 games, baka again, I want to give other players a chance to play. And I might change that. Pag-usapan namin yung coaching staff.
Coach, nabanggit ni Brian yung kumpiyansa mo sa kanya. It seems like yung kumpiyansa mo sa kanya dates back to the draft kasi din-draft mo siya second round. So ano ba nakita mo kay Brian that enable that nag-decide sa'yo na kunin siya ng second round?
Actually, hindi sa draft eh. TIP pa lang to eh. Ayaw lang pumunta sa akin eh. So, TIP, kinukuha ko sa UST. Pero nakapunta siya sa UST. I was the one who brought him to UST kasi wala na ako doon. And pagdating dito sa PBA, well, hinanap ko. Actually, meron ko kukuha dito kasi nasa 3x dito ng meron ko eh. And they already had plans with him. Actually, ayaw na pupunta sa akin kasi nakausap na siya ng Meralco, nakapirmahin siya eh. Kasi tayo hindi, kami kukuha sa'yo. So, yan ang kwento kung bakit nandito to. And in terms of the confidence that I'm giving him, namumura ko nga pag dito gitira eh. I've been telling him that he can play, he can shoot. As long as he does his part, I'm going to give him the green light to shoot.
Coach, yung 2 games, mga bigat-bigat eh. But ano yung mga gusto yung, of course, aside from a win, ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve during those tough games na karating?
Well, yun nga, we want to end this conference na high note. Pero mawala sa amin eh. Labo-labo yan, bahala sa Cagayan de Oro.
Brian, sabi ni Coach, dapat sa Meralco mapupunta. Motivation ba yun sa'yo para makita ka agad sa Coach?
Hindi naman. Ang motivation ko kasi yung baby ko, family ko na nakapanganak lang. Yun nga, alam mo naman din na. Tsaka sa kanya ko din kasi gusto talagang maglaro. Nung nasa VIP kami, hindi ko lang talaga alam na kinukuha ako. Kaya hindi ako happy.
Ilang months and day.
Mag 2 months na po sa 12.
Pero bakit nagbago yung isip mo from Meralco?
Wala siya magawa, kami nag-draft eh.
paano ka napuntang UST na lang?
Nagka-pandemic po, tapos na-disband po ang PIP. So, tinawagan.
Before nakatabahan sa UAP, nasa akin na.
Okay.
And that sums up our post-game press conference. Thank you once again,